Picture this. You finally get into bed, the room is quiet, and then the neighbor starts dragging furniture, a dog barks, and your brain decides to replay every mistake since high school. White noise machines can fix more than you might expect. Today, I'm ranking the 7 best options for sleep, focus, and calmer nights. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. Calm Me. Some sound machines try to do everything and end up feeling complicated. This one goes the opposite direction. Calm Me is compact, clean-looking, and surprisingly useful in places beyond the bedroom. I could see it working especially well in an office, therapy room, hallway, or nursery where privacy matters almost as much as sleep. You get 20 non-looping sounds, including white, brown, and pink noise, 6 fan options, rain, thunder, a brook, and gentle music box tones. That variety matters because not everybody relaxes to the same frequency. Brown noise, for example, has a deeper character that some people prefer for masking voices. The plug-in design keeps things tidy, but the included cable gives you more placement freedom. There is also adjustable volume, timer control, memory, and a soft dual-color nightlight. This is the one I would recommend for someone who wants a flexible machine for both daytime focus and nighttime calm. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. Homedics. There is something refreshing about a machine that does not require an account, an application, or 10 minutes of setup. The Homedics model is basically the grab it, press a button, and relax option. That simplicity is probably its biggest strength, especially for travel, guest rooms, or parents who already have enough technology to manage. It gives you 6 digitally recorded sounds: white noise, thunder, ocean, rain, summer night, and brook. That is not a massive library, but the choices cover the environments most people actually use. Sometimes fewer options are better when you just want to sleep rather than audition 30 different thunderstorms. The compact body slips easily into a bag or suitcase, and the 15, 30, or 60-minute timer is useful when you do not need sound running all night. Volume controls are straightforward too. This makes the most sense for buyers who value portability and simplicity over customization. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Momcozy. Now we move into something closer to a complete bedside command center. Momcozy combines a sound machine, customizable nightlight, remote control, and scheduled sleep routine in one device. For families managing naps, feeding, bedtime, and early mornings, that combination can remove a surprising amount of daily friction. There are 34 sounds, including 11 white noise variations, 3 fan sounds, 8 lullabies, and 12 nature recordings. Volume ranges from gentle background sound to strong noise masking, so it can calm a nursery or help cover conversations, street activity, and doors closing elsewhere in the house. The 7-color light is adjustable through touch controls or the companion application. You can change brightness, sound, color, and volume without walking into the room and potentially waking the baby you just spent 40 minutes settling. Scheduled programs can also support consistent bedtime and morning routines. This is my pick for parents or technology-friendly sleepers who enjoy detailed customization. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. Snooz. Here is where things get interesting. Snooz does not play a recording of a fan. There is an actual fan inside creating the sound. And once you notice the difference, especially in a quiet bedroom, the natural consistency can be difficult to unhear. Because the sound is mechanically generated, there is no looping pattern waiting for your brain to catch it. You can adjust both tone and volume across 10 levels, making it useful for everything from a snoring partner to traffic, barking dogs, or noisy apartment walls. The physical controls are wonderfully simple, but there is also an application for scheduling automatic bedtime and wake routines or controlling the unit remotely. That combination works well because you are not forced to use your phone just to change the volume. This is not the one for everyone, but it is excellent for people who specifically love fan noise and dislike digital recordings. The weakness is obvious. You are getting one basic sound character rather than a giant library. Still, for pure, steady noise masking, Snooz is unusually convincing and surprisingly travel-friendly. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Adaptive sound. Some people do not need rainstorms, lullabies, or colorful lights. They just want unwanted noise to disappear. That is where the adaptive sound technology's Electrofan Classic earns its place. It is compact, focused, and built around consistent non-looping sound rather than decorative extras. You get 20 sound options designed around fan sounds and noise variations, giving you enough range to deal with different environments. A noisy hotel may need something stronger and brighter, while a quiet bedroom might benefit from a softer, lower setting. The precise volume control makes that adjustment easy. It is also lightweight and powered through universal serial bus, so taking it between home, work, and travel is painless. The built-in timer lets you fall asleep with sound without necessarily running the machine until morning. And this is the one I would recommend for serious noise masking, especially if snoring, traffic, or neighboring rooms are the main problem. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Easysleep. The Easysleep machine is one of those products that quietly checks almost every practical box. 25 non-looping sounds, adjustable warm lighting, 32 volume levels, multiple timers, memory, and a compact body. Nothing here is particularly flashy, but the combination is extremely useful. The sound selection stretches from white noise and fans to brooks, sea waves, birds, bonfires, trains, piano, lullabies, and meditation sounds. That range makes it suitable for adults, children, or babies without locking the whole household into one type of background noise. I also like the 4-level warm night light. It is bright enough for late-night feeding or a little reading, but you are not turning on a harsh ceiling light and completely waking yourself up. This makes the most sense for families or buyers who want maximum flexibility without moving into a complicated smart home setup. The 5-timer choices and memory function make daily use especially convenient. My small criticism is that the design is more functional than premium looking. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Magicteam. This pick deserves a spot in this video because it is small, portable, easy to control, and gives you enough sound variety to work for babies, children, adults, offices, bedrooms, and travel. There are 20 non-looping sounds, including white, brown, pink, and blue noise, plus fan, brook, rain, ocean, birds, and bonfire sounds. The real advantage is having 32 volume levels, because good noise masking is not simply about making everything louder. Fine control helps you find the point where distractions fade without the machine itself becoming distracting. You can choose 1, 2, 3, or 4-hour timers, or let it play continuously. The memory function restores your previous sound, volume, and timer settings, which sounds minor until you realize you are not rebuilding your setup every night. This is the best overall choice for buyers who want strong value, simple controls, and broad everyday usefulness. It does not have fancy lighting or application features, but for reliable sound masking in a compact package, Magicteam gets the fundamentals right. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best white noise machine as you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.